Good morning, everybody. Just received a package from China. Took about 2.5 weeks to get here. It's a laser enclosure for my diode laser, my Atomstack X7 Pro. Sort of like a miniature grow tent, and it says it's fireproof or fire resistant. But load it up, and we got some small child's gloves. Hot for my hands. And we got the enclosure. Basically, there's going to be a tube frame, and then the housing fits over it, and there's a exit round hole in the side for a fan. And I've already 3D printed a fan mount for that. But this is the housing. It is sealed up. There's a semi-transparent window in it that's orange. So the inside has the silver material, and the outside has a rubber coating. But once we get the frame together, got more for that. Have all the connectors for the tubing. And the insert to go inside with screw hardware for the fan mount. It sandwiches between, so you can mount a fan and then put in a tube to exhaust it outside. But other than that, I will put this together and be back with the assembled product. And we're back. I had previously built a base. I was going to make a wooden enclosure. I separated the control box from the X7 and fabricated a plate to mount on the back here. To mount the front 2x4s, I've got 2x3s on the side and plywood on the bottom. The whole inside's painted black. But the cover fits perfectly on my base. And we'll show you this. I've used expanded steel in the bottom here, and you can see the rails for the frame sit there, and they drop right inside the mount here for the 2x4s, and the X7 fits in there perfectly. And there's the exhaust port, and I'll be able to mount my air assist on the outside, and I'm pretty happy with this. It's got a, like I said, it has a rubber coating on the outside, and it has a fire coating on the inside, the silver. But the unit mounted on top. My cutting area on my Millwright Mega V CNC is 35 by 35, and you can see the frame is a little bit less than the 35 by 35. But I'm happy with it. I believe it was about $45 from the company I ordered it from in China, and I will post the link below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out my affiliate links. I have partnered with Pawn CNC, who designs dust shoes, and I 3D printed this new dust shoe from Omega V. And they support about every home CNC out there. But if you have any questions, just please post them below. Please like and subscribe and share. And once again, thank you for watching. And I have started a Patreon page to help support my hobbies. Everything I've done so far has been out of my pocket, my electric motorcycle and solar and battery backup and everything. As you can see running over in the corner. Keeps my house lit up in power outages. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just post them below.